Okay, here we go. This is your walkthrough for lesson 33. So, in this lesson, we're going to get ready to write about Alexander the Great. Today, you're going to be talking about how do you provide information to give context to help the reader understand what you are trying to say. In a history class, this is very important because a lot of times the things that you want to say about history need more information for somebody to understand them. The question that we are going to look at is whether or not Alexander is great. Alexander of Macedon has been called Alexander the Great for many years. Do you think that he should be called Alexander the Great? Does he deserve that title? Right? You need to provide evidence and reasoning to prove your claim. Okay. Now, if you didn't read the texts yet, they are here. And as you can see, I've linked to the Spanish translations as well. If you would like to view it in English, it's pretty easy. We go to the language tab, and once I move my head, you can see two different versions of English as well. Back to the lesson. This box is going to help you get ready to write. It's going to give you the context, the information you need. So after looking at the texts, who was Alexander? Alexander was, what did he do? He was famous for, where was he from? He was from, when? When did he live? He lived from blank to blank. This part, you might have to be a little creative. What do you think life was like back then? Life in his time was people struggled people often. That is going to give you the context you need to be able to make your claim make sense. Here are your directions. You have read the texts on slide 4, right? We've filled out the brainstorm too. Lesson 33 graphic organizer, you will see it. Lesson 33 graphic organizer. It looks like this. I will embed directions here to help you with that. List the specific context details you will need to include in box 1. Look at slide 4. Slide 4 for your details. Box 1 is right here. Box 1. Write down 2 details that prove your claim in box 3 and 5. Box 3 and 5 are for our evidence. Write down your reasoning in boxes 4 and 6. Boxes 4 and 6 are for where you explain why this evidence shows that you are correct. When you are all done, copy and paste each part into a paragraph right here. You'll have all of your work ready to go. All you have to do is put it together. And if you have questions, email me or let me know. I hope that helps, and if you have questions, just ask.